Back in North Texas today, where many of you guys watching this channel have called me and said you're looking to move to this area because of all the major attractions and developments happening here. In this video, I'm taking you through my newest listing in Blvd, Texas. This incredible home was remodeled by the ROI guys. These guys are changing the game in North Texas real estate. I'll be sure to leave all of their social media info in the description below for you to follow as they document their real estate journey. Today, we're getting right to the local scene over here in Blvd, Texas, including it being ranked the #1 school district in all of Grayson County. Then afterwards, make sure you stick around as we'll be doing a full tour of this charming home. Let's go ahead and get started with a quick overview of Blvd, Texas. Blvd is a small and very rural town that is just about 12 miles east of Sherman, Texas, and it's caught the attention of some folks that are living in Sherman, Denison, or even Pottsboro that are wanting a bit more land and a little bit quieter of an area. It still has less than 2,000 people living in it, and it covers about 2.2 square miles. It's less than 90 minutes north of Dallas and less than 30 minutes south of Choctaw Casino. It's perhaps best known for its high school ratings, coming in with an A overall grade for their school district from niche.com, with an A+ grade on its teachers, an A- for clubs and activities, an A- in academics, and an A for the administration. And like I mentioned earlier, it's actually rated the #1 best school district in Grayson County. Many families that live near me in Sherman, Texas have moved over to Blvd due to its higher quality schools and just overall quieter area. Now that we've gone through a quick overview of Blvd, let's go and begin with this house tour. This home was built in 1950 and it has plenty of renovations, including 21 piers installed to level the foundation, a brand new roof, a brand new water heater, a new HVAC condenser, butcher block countertops, new stainless steel appliances. Just almost everything about this house has been brought back to life. You have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open floor plan, nearly 0.7 acres, and plenty of space to stretch out in your backyard. This home also provides very convenient access to the highway for your commute to work. And like I mentioned earlier, this is one of my first listings with a couple of guys that you'll be seeing a lot of in the future. Their names are Alec Hilliard and Daniel Huffman, and they are taking over the North Texas remodeling game with some insane house flip. If you ever watched HGTV or Property Brothers back in the day, you'll love the work these guys do. And here's their social media information if you want to go ahead and follow their real estate journey. Let's go ahead and have a look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that house tour. I'm personally a huge fan of the land size over there, as it's coming in just under 3/4 of an acre. Plenty of space for you and the family. If this home was checking a lot of your boxes and you have any questions about the home, would like a tour in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. I might also mention that despite all the crazy house prices in North Texas, this fully renovated home is coming in at just $219,000. Now that we've covered the home tour, let's go take a look at the local attractions and cover some of the major announcements outside of Blvd. We can't mention the local attractions near Blvd or the general North Texas area without first mentioning Lake Texoma. This is one of the largest man-made lakes in all of Texas and one of the largest reservoirs in the US. You can access the lake from Denison, which is just a short 20 to 30 minute drive away from Blvd, and it's great for bass and striper fishing, water sports, jet skiing, boating, tubing, and camping. And there's also great golfing over at Tanglewood. The lake is a staple for Denison and the overall North Texas community. It's a great tourist spot and huge for the local economy. And this area of Denison has so much intrigue, the city just approved the Schuler development, which is now called Preston Harbor, a project that's expected to double Denison's population. This is a 3,100 acre community that will include retail, restaurants, boat slips, and a resort, and is led by none other than David Craig, the developer of the massively popular Craig Ranch in McKinney, Texas. This is a monumental project for North Texas and is one of the largest land purchases in Grayson County history. It's estimated that this project will bring around $6 billion in ad valorem value for the city of Denison. And speaking of that major announcement that we were talking about, going back to Lake Texoma, weekend getaways, and the Preston Harbor project, it was just announced by the city on December 19th, there has been an agreement for a $100 million Margaritaville resort to be built in the development and onto the lake. This resort will include between 250 and 280 hotel rooms and add about 300 jobs. More details of this project will be coming soon, but as you can imagine, this will transform the look and feel of this town. And if you know anything about the growth of a city, think about McKinney or Frisco spending the last 2 decades, you know this home is surely going to appreciate very well over the next 5 to 10 years. This home is less than 20 minutes away from Heyday. Heyday offers plenty of things to do for kids and adults. You have bowling, arcade, laser tag, you have a bar and restaurant, outdoor seating, live music, and it's a great place to watch Cowboys games or big UFC fights. It's right next to Urban Air. Urban Air is crazy fun for kids with trampolines everywhere, but it's also crazy overstimulating for parents. This listing is 20 minutes away from the Sherman Town Center. In this town center, we have Cinemark theaters, plenty of retail stores here with Best Buy, Home Depot, and many clothing retailers. And of course, you must have a Chick-fil-A and Chipotle in your town centers. And if you're into gambling or playing some cards, you're only about 45 minutes away from Choctaw Casino. This is truly a world-class casino in Durant. This is in the very southern tip of Oklahoma and one of the biggest draws for local attractions. You have 100 table games, 7,400 slot machines, a state-of-the-art poker room, 16 restaurants, 6 movie theaters, a massive arcade and sports bar. And for that weekend resort getaway, you can stay at the Sky Tower, where you can enjoy private cabanas, 1,700 hotel rooms, and a pool that you'd only see in Las Vegas, built by a local pool builder that grew up right here in Denison, Texas. Moving over to the historic downtown area of Sherman, you're only about a 5-minute walk to the downtown area from this listing. Downtown Sherman hosts a widely popular hot summer nights between June and August every year on Thursdays of every week. And guys, now that we've covered the house tour and the local attractions, let's see what the monthly payments would look like on this home that's just priced at $219,000. You've heard me say this before. Full disclosure, I am a realtor, not a certified loan officer. This is just using some basic napkin math with online calculators and the most up-to-date current interest rates. At the time of making this video, rates are hovering around 6.6%. If you were to make a conventional offer at asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $10,950 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 6.6%. This brings our principal and interest payment to $1,331 per month. Taxes in 2023 had around a 2.2% tax rate for the year, so let's estimate $4,796 in annual taxes, bringing us to an estimate of $402 a month. Again, this could be a little higher or lower depending on the tax value for 2024. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $171 a month. This could go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we are putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $152 a month as well. We are looking at a monthly payment estimate of just $2,055 a month. If you put 20% down, that would be $43,800 as a down payment, and it brings your principal and interest down to $1,121 and knocks off your mortgage insurance, so that makes your monthly payment around $1,694 per month. Again, these are ballpark estimates using some online calculators. I am not a certified loan officer, I just sells the houses. So guys, this is going to close us out on our latest house tour in Bells, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Do me a favor, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you ever have any questions about homes in North Texas or even this listing, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. And lastly, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, check out this video by clicking here.